I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is instant. Install the app on your phone and the companion on the computer, then open both. Once done, connect them to the same Wi-Fi or create a phone hotspot. This ensures discovery and low latency. Make sure the app has local network and input permissions. Without those, the cursor control will fail. Now open the companion on the computer, note the displayed PIN or IP, and keep both screens visible to continue pairing. You now pair and configure real control. On your phone, select the computer from the discovered list and enter the PIN or IP shown on the PC. This secures the session. Once connected, switch to the desired control mode: trackpad for pointer, keyboard for typing, media for volume and playback, because each mode routes input differently. Adjust sensitivity and scrolling in settings. This changes how the cursor responds to finger movement. Also map 1 or 2 shortcuts so you can trigger common actions quickly. Finish by verifying every control and preparing for common failures. Test pointer motion, left/right clicks, 2-finger scroll and keyboard typing. Confirm media keys work. If you notice lag or dropped packets, move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, reduce screen or video streaming resolution, or use USB tethering to eliminate wireless interference. If the app won't connect, restart both apps. Check firewall or antivirus blocking on the computer and re-enter the PIN. That single file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.